Okay, quick video time. We are going to replace the airbag cover with a new one. And here it is. Some people will be like, well, why are you placing a white airbag cover, white leather airbag cover with this steering wheel that has black perforated leather? Isn't that going to just be kind of odd looking? I don't know. I'm going to find out. My thing is, the vehicle is white interior. We all can see that. This is silver, which does match that trim and that trim down there, which is all well and good. But the main colors in here are white. Everything trim is white. White piano trim throughout here too. So I'm thinking the white and black stitching will contrast well with the white stitching and white interior. I don't know. It's either going to look like absolute shit or it's going to look fantastic. So we're going to find out now. First things first, as usual, we got to pop the airbag off. I'm not going to show you guys how to do it. I have another vid. I'll put it right up there or wherever this car goes. But watch that to see how to pop it off. It's real easy. But that's what we're going to do first. So we have the airbag popped off. Again, check that video linked above. To check out how to pop it off. It's really easy. There's so many videos on this. In any case, see those lines right along here? We're gonna have to snip to get this over and this done too. Here's the other one. It'll slide right on after, and it is an OEM cover. Does have the crease in it, so it'll pop when needed, so on and so forth. But these are a pain in the ass. You can stuff a bunch of stuff under here and kind of maneuver it. That kind of warps the case anyway, so it's kind of one and done. Just gonna clip it and see what happens. Here we go. So we absolutely had to massacre the airbag. If you look down there, there's a bunch of clips missing that held these on. Comparison purposes, you can see totally this one's never going back on. But here's what a airbag looks like, and let Jesus take the wheel if you're into that sort of higher power thing, and let's hope that this fits on. Either that or we're not going to be driving it today. But it does look like it's a super fit. You just got to go in and clip these in and it'll be all good, and that's what we're going to do now. So no turning back. Let's do this. All right, we're getting to the point where it just seems like you can, with one hand force, almost lift these over and clip them in. It's going to take two hands, but I just wanted to show you it's pretty easy to get it on versus off afterwards. Off wasn't horrible. You just had to disintegrate the thing. It'll look good on a mantle or something. So here we go with putting it on. And we're in. Kids show. We're on. Yeah, it was easy as that. It literally took me a minute afterwards of putting the phone down, because I'm super professional with my cameras. I put my camera phone down. Shout out iPhone 13 Pro. So it's good to go. We're going to go ahead and hook it up. I'm going to turn this off and open my door, hope for the best, and hopefully it doesn't explode, and we'll see how it looks right after. It's in, and let's unveil it. Not too bad, huh? I think it looks pretty good. The only thing I can say is the horn isn't working down here, but I think it's because the spring to the horn mechanism isn't in right. I don't hit down here, so I don't know if it even worked really down there before. I think it did. The horn marks are up here, and they do work fine. You press on them, so that's all good to go. But overall, I think it looks pretty good. What do you guys think? Hit that like, subscribe, tell me in a comment below. Was it trash? Was it worth it? I think it looks pretty good, especially with the white interior. What do you think? Yeah, let me know. Thanks, guys. Have a good one.